of all, I welcome you to this great gathering. Secondly, thank you, Shankar sir, our AG, who has been taking a lot of initiatives in getting all the clubs together. Thanks a lot, sir. And of course, our bachelor boy, Jagdish, you have been doing wonders. This is a great opportunity and whom you have given. Thank you. I'll quickly explain about our club. Our club, Rotary Bangalore Rajarajeshwari Nagar Centennial, formed in the centennial year of Rotary. And now I am the current president of this club. I am the 16th president of this club. We have been doing a lot of good job within our area, Rajarajeshwari Nagar, and with a few of the rural clubs also. This year we have formed a club in Kolar KGF Prime that was chartered. That is our child club this year, and Vishwanidam is one of our child club. We have about 53 people in our club totally. This year projects, we did a fantastic project of distributing about 4,500 ration kits to all the needy, especially the migrant laborers during the previous lockdown and post-lockdown also. And very recently we honored 210 Paura Karmika ladies especially who were working every day, even during lockdown, during pandemic, everyone keeping our vicinity clean, neat and tidy. Our AG Shankar Shastri was also one of the guests in that program, wherein we had arranged a health camp, health checkup for all the women Paura Karmikas on International Women's Day. And we also honored them by providing a small goodie bag which contained sari and then few things which are used by them. I would like to mention here this this gathering is we have a very fantastic project conceived by our seniors in our club way back in 2015. It's a fundraising project. It's a marathon. It is called The Run. Right from the second year onwards, the software giant Mindtree has been our title sponsor, and every year almost we are gathering about 3,500 people who are joining us and then running this marathon. It has been a very success story. People look forward for our marathon event. Unfortunately, we had to call it off this year because of the pandemic. We are sure that we will come back next year with a lot of this thing. And further, we have a lot of programs which are being planned already, which will be towards, of course, towards the COVID relief care only. This is about brief about our club. Without taking much time, I will continue with our speaker's introduction today. A mechanical engineering background, Rotarian V. Ashwath Ramaya. He is a mechanical engineer. He is aged 70 years, and he has worked with very prominent companies like Vidya, Kenametal Vidya, now it is called as, for 20 years. He is in 1992 he set up a company called Unique Consultants. It's a management consultant company. He is also a member of Rotary Bangalore Orion Gateway. He has been conducting lectures, trainings, programs to Rotary clubs for the last 25 years. And he has conducted several lectures, training programs. One unique thing is he is also in conducting dance dramas. Sir, I'm very much interested to know more about these dance dramas, RILAs, ICGFs, programs on happy family life, etc. He has been total in his career, he has trained more than 4 lakh people, 4 lakh employees of various companies on soft skills. Companies like Infosys, IBM, Biocon, TVS, take any company, almost he has touched all companies, all major corporates in and around Bangalore in India. And also overseas countries like Dubai, Sharjah, Hong Kong, Muscat, Qatar, Sharjah, Kuwait, Maldives, etc. I don't know. There's a big list. He has been catering to all industry sectors, be it IT, be it medical, be it banking, insurance, retails, educational institutions, food, cement, agriculture. He has touched all industries. He is associated with management associations like CII, FKCCI, IIM Bangalore, NHRD, various other industrial associations like Peenya Industrial Association, Whitefield, Nelmangla, Kunigal, Hosur. There are many. He has been conducting lectures and training programs for students and teaching staff for more than 50 schools and colleges. That has been a great achievement. He has also appeared on television and radios many times. He also has a YouTube channel wherein he keeps uploading all his sessions, which are very informative and very useful. He has also authored many books, and CDs are there of his training sessions, which are available in the market. Dance dramas, like what I said, he has been directing dance dramas, and also he has been writing songs for several companies, maybe a kind of a theme song. Most interesting thing is he's also practicing yoga for the last 50 years, and he's also teaching yoga and meditation for thousands of people. So that is one big achievement. He's also engaged in a number of charitable activities like conducting training programs for orphanages, old age homes, NGOs, and government offices, etc. So this is a brief introduction of Ashwath Narayan sir, Rotarian Ashwath Ramaiah sir. Sir, it's over to you. Everyone is very eager to listen to you now. Thank you.
Thank you, Rotarian Raghavendra. So over to you, sir. Without wasting much of a time, we leave it to you to hear about optimism in difficult times.
Yes, sir. Yes. So very good evening to all of you. It gives me great pleasure to speak on this very relevant and almost the need of the hour topic, the optimism in difficult times. It is told that the best of our capabilities and our real character comes not in easy and comfortable times, but in the most difficult times. They say the darkest hour is before the dawn. So today I'll be touching upon a very important aspect. We are seeing every day people losing lives, and it is very gloomy everywhere. A lot of misery, a lot of uncertainty, and a lot of fear, a lot of anxiety. The point which needs to be understood is that yes, the corona pandemic has created unprecedented difficulty. But apart from this, one of the major things which is happening is how it has affected the mind and the emotions of the people. And that is what I'm going to talk on, how to develop optimism. Optimism is basically a mental quality. So that will be the topic on which I will be talking. In between, please feel free to ask questions. I am not new to you. You have been heard enough of me to the extent that you must have got bored. Ask questions, doubts, clarifications, elaborations, agreements, disagreements. Make the program as interactive, as effective, and as participative as possible. Otherwise, what will happen? First, about 10-15 minutes, you will listen more out of interest on the topic or some respect to the teacher. But afterwards, you will listen more out of sympathy to the trainer. Anyway, he is enjoying himself. Why to trouble him? So, ಆ ಥರ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ ಅಲ್ಲಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೇಕ್ ಮೈ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಸ್ ಮಿಸರಬಲ್ as possible in the next about 45 minutes or 1 hour, so that we can make the program very effective, interactive, thought-provoking, useful, doable, practical, and very experiential. I would like to start off with a question. We use this word illness. We also use this word sickness. What do you think is the difference between illness and sickness? Anyone would like to add a dimension to this? Illness andrenu, sickness andrenu. Erudu heltivi, he is ill anta heltivi. He is very sick antivi. What do you think is the difference?
ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್?
ಹೇಳಿ ಶಂಕರ್ ಸರ್.
Sickness has a connotation of mind. According to me, you please tell about it.
Yes,
You don't know.
yes.
Illness is more into the physical body kind of.
Very right.
That's my understanding. Thank you.
Yeah, generally, although people exchange the names, as Mr. Shankar sir told, generally illness is for the body and sickness is for the mind. That's why we say he is ill from the last about 1 week from flu, although people say it as sick. But when a person is having a lot of greed or negative tendencies, we say he is mentally sick. Now, the beauty is a person can be ill but not sick. But a person can be sick but not ill. In other words, for example, this word disease. See, corona is a disease. How is this word disease has come? It has got two words. Dis-ease. It is like discomfort, we say. Discomfort means not comfortable. Similarly, dis-ease means not at ease. Now, if you have a disease, but you are at ease with you, and you are at ease with others, and you are at ease with the world, it means you don't have a disease, although you have a disease. But on the other hand, if you don't have a disease, like cancer or corona or BP, etc., you don't have a disease, but you are not at ease with yourself. You are not at ease with others, and you are not at ease with life. It means you have a disease, although you don't have a disease. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಏನೇ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ ಬಂದರೂ ಸಹ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾಂತಿ, ನೆಮ್ಮದಿ, ಒಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೋಗ ಇದ್ರೂ ಅವನು ರೋಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಆನ್ ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ಏನು ರೋಗ ಇಲ್ದಿದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ, ಮೈ BP is normal, my cardiac is fine, ECG right, EEG perfect, lipid profile all right, but I'm not at ease with myself. I'm not comfortable in my mind. I've got a lot of tension, worry. It only means I am not at ease with myself. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೋಗ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕಾಣಿಸದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಒಳಗಡೆ ರೋಗ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Today, many people are dying, including because of corona, apart from the major problems, because of the physical diseases, because of the anxiety, because of the fear or the uncertainty. Now, this needs to be addressed. Idanne psychosomatic anta. The mind influences the body and the body influences the mind. For example, suppose you get angry. The anger takes in the mind, but your blood pressure increases. But your blood pressure is there in the body. Just open your tongue like this and imagine somebody is putting lemon juice on your tongue. Just within 3-4 minutes, your saliva will increase. Now, saliva getting produced more is a physical activity, but nobody put any lemon on you. You just imagine it. So an imaginary, this lemon, mentally thought, can create a physical production of saliva. This is called psychosomatic, where the mind influences the body. Similarly, the body also influences the mind, and this is called as a somopsychic. Nodi, soma andre body, psych andre mind. What is somopsychic? Suppose you take a very good head bath, tale chanaki snana ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ. Actually, you took bath to the body only, but for about 10 minutes, you feel mentally also a little relaxed. Although you took the bath only to the body. For example, chronic patients ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡಿ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋರು ಇಂಥವ್ರು, if it becomes very chronic and a very long time, slowly they become depressed or anxiety, neurosis, or a little dementia. All these things will start, which are mental disorders. Adrinda, mind and body are the two faces of the same coin. In fact, in yoga and idrellanu samadhi anta karithivi. Samavagiruva adi. Adi is mind. Anybody's mind which is very equanimous, poised, equitable, focused, concentrated, free, uninhibited. That is called as the samadhi sthiti. So adi is mind. The disease which comes to the body is called as vyadhi. For nearly 95% of the vyadhi, adi is responsible, not vyadhi. ಅದಕ್ಕೇನೆ ಅನೇಕ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮೈಂಡ್, ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವಾಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ and if I want to take a nail and I want to hit the wall, on the wall I should keep the nail and hit the nail, then only the nail will go inside. If I keep the nail on the wall and hit the wall, how the nail will go inside? So if the problem is in the mind, if you are not relaxed, if you are not comfortable, any amount of medicines you take will not work. Adrinda, it is very important to keep our mind calm, cool, relaxed, equanimous, ethical and moralistic. Only then the body will cooperate. I keep telling one story. A person goes to a doctor and he says, "Doctor, I got a peculiar disease." So doctor tells him, "What is that peculiar disease?" He says, "Doctor, wherever I touch my body, it pains. Suppose I touch here also, it pains here also." Doctor says, "This is a very peculiar disease, man. People who got migraine headache, if they get a pain here, laryngitis fellows here, cardiac people here, arthritis in the knees. But how is that you get pain wherever you touch?" So the doctor did lot of tests, but everything is normal. So the doctor says, "Look, I can't analyze you at all. You're beyond comprehension." Now the patient says, "Okay, I will go." So when the patient is about to go, the doctor gets an idea. He says, "Please come." So the doctor says, "The patient, show me your finger." And the patient shows the finger. In the finger, there is a wound. If there is a wound in the finger, wherever you touch it pains. Problem is not in the other part of the body. Problem is in the wound in the finger. Similarly, if you have a problem in the mind, there is no point in treating the whole body. Clarity in mind and purity in heart are the surety for success. ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಶುದ್ಧತೆ. So what people need to understand today is this corona or any other disease for that matter has to be first tackled with from the mind point of view. Apart from the other medicines, of course, they are also equally important. I don't say no, but predominantly it is the mind which matters. So this is the how to keep our mind calm, cool, relaxed. See, any wrong thought which comes to your mind, any bad thought, it creates a lot of toxins in our body. In our body, actually our body is a huge chemical factory. ನಾವೇನು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, our body is a static thing ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. Not at all. Our body is changing every second. In fact, the other day I asked somebody, what is the age of your stomach? He said 36 years. I told how? He said, "Sir, my age is 36 years, so my stomach age also is 36 years. I told wrong. Our entire stomach changes once in 4 weeks. Which means 4 weeks back, ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಇತ್ತೋ ಈಗ ಆ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ. 100% it is changed. Your liver changes every once in 6 weeks. The liver which you had 6 weeks back is no longer the liver what you are having. It has got totally changed. A new liver has come. Because the cells and the molecules and all these things are constantly getting disintegrated and constantly reframing. So once in 6 months, a new liver comes, a new skin comes, a new skeleton comes. So it is important to ensure that if the mind is kept calm, then when the new cells are getting formed, the mind will send a positive connotation to the body, to that organs, which means that it will forget that it has got a disease. Suppose a person is having an ulcer, for example, or problem with it, and after 4 weeks, a new stomach is coming. No, suppose you train the mind to tell the new stomach, "Look, forget about your earlier constipation, etc. You are perfectly all right." The new stomach will believe it, and your constipation will go off. You can literally talk to every organ of you and get rid of the diseases. provided you believe in this concept and you have a control on the mind. Your thought decides the chemistry of your body, and the chemistry of your body decides the destiny of your life. The moment a bad thought, a wrong thought, a toxic thought comes, your body produces a lot of bad chemicals. This factory produces yaudidu catecholamines, cortisols, adrenaline, noradrenaline. Right? The moment you get a good thought, like serving others, like what Rotary does, a lot of feel-good chemicals also get produced in the body. Which are these? Serotonin, dopamine, endorphins, epinephrines, oxytocin, GABA, melatonin. So you can keep producing a lot of feel-good chemicals and keep away the diseases and the anxiety, tension. And therefore, even if Corona comes, you will not be able to do much. I want to tell you a very interesting thing now. See, it is researched that Corona operates at approximately 2 hertz. Our brain has got hertz. EEG in a notebook. Whenever your brain operates at a higher frequency, say 10 hertz and above, Corona cannot do anything for you. Which only means let there be 2 people. This person is having wrong thoughts. This person is having positive thoughts. Let us say. And let us say anything, not only Corona, it may be influenza, it may be a cancer cell, it comes on it calling. A positive person, since his brain is operating at a frequency which is higher than the virus cannot do much damage to him. But if this person is afraid and he is having negative thoughts and manipulative thoughts, and his brain frequency is lower, and the Corona frequency matches with it, and he gets it. Now people have researched further. Then how can I increase my brain frequency so that even if this virus, etc. comes, I can still ensure that my immunity power works? Research has shown the higher frequency of the brain is possible whenever you develop gratitude, love towards humanity, when you are humble, when you do prayers, when you do meditation, you will find your brain operates at a higher frequency. And therefore, you can keep away a lot of diseases. ಸಕಲಕ್ಕೂ ಕಾರಣ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಮಾಡುವುದು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಸರ್ಕಸ್ಸು ಅದರ ನಿಯಂತ್ರಣ ಒಂದು ತಪಸ್ಸು ದೊರೆಯುವುದು ನಿನಗಾಗ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ಸು ಮನಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಗೆದ್ದವ ಜಗವನ್ನ ಗೆದ್ದ. And that is the purpose of telling this topic. ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡೆಮಿಕ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲೇ 150 ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. This must be 156th webinar, same topic. How to keep our mind calm, cool, courageous, optimistic, positive, futuristic. So that come what may, we will be able to manage it. So this is what is very, very crucial. All that I am trying to tell you is be courageous, be very careful, follow all the advisories, but don't get panicky. Don't think wrong things. A bend in the road is not the end of the road. Ready? Okay. At this point of time, between this mind and body, which I have explained in so much detail, yargadru another question idre keli. Feel free to ask. Otherwise, the sympathetic listening start agbidutte.
Yeah, this is Prashant.
Yes,
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, I just had one simple question. Maybe
Please.
not able to connect completely. You
Please.
talk about the brain frequency. When the frequency is very high,
Yeah.
you will be able to kind of win over Corona, kind of thing, right?
Kind of, yes.
Now, my understanding, limited understanding, is when you meditate, our mind will be calm. That means there are very few thoughts or no thoughts if you really achieve a very good state of meditative mind. Now, when there are no thoughts, what if that brain is working so hard to increase the frequency? What am I missing here?
Sure. It's a very interesting and very useful question. But let me explain to you, sir. It is like this. Suppose you want to wash a cloth. The cloth is dirty, and therefore we put the soap water. And the soap in the water washes the cloth. Now, afterwards, what do you do with that soap? Which is a little good soap is also soap, water is there, and soap is there. You will throw that soap also. Similarly, when a bad thought comes, you should replace with a good thought. Like the dirt is replaced by soap. But then meditation says you should throw that soap also. which means the thought also should be thrown out. That means step number 1, negative thought. Step number 2, positive thought. Step number 3, no thought. Now, anything which is positive thought and no thought are antagonistic to any of the virus. I don't know whether I'm clear or not. So, for example, let us say you are a Rotarian, you see a person who is suffering. Now, when you are suffering and empathy comes within you, actually you feel for him, and there are a lot of number of thoughts. Number of thoughts will increase, but the thoughts are very positive in nature. But when you get afraid, also there is a lot of number of thoughts. Suppose your son does not come to your house, there is number of thoughts is very high, but unfortunately those thoughts are negative in nature. So when I say increase the frequency of the thoughts, I meant increase the frequency of the positive thoughts. Now afterward, that thought also has to be removed, just like you are throwing out the soap also. That will come to the second stage. First, let me just replace the negative thought with the positive thought. That itself is a good development for me. I don't know whether I made it clear or not, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I understand.
ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್? ಇದು ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನೋಡಿ, ತಾಮಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಜಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ರಾಜಸಿಕ್ ಆಗಿರೋರು ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗುಣಹೀನರಾಗಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಗುಣಗಳೇ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. Because you cannot directly go from a bad to zero. I say go from bad to good, from good to zero. SSLC ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ PUCಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So being good, being bad is 0, being good is number 1, being meditative 0 is number 3. And for your information, many people teach meditation. Good, I don't say no, good. But let us understand one thing. Nam yogadallu kuda ನೋಡಿ, ಯಮ ನಿಯಮ ಆಸನ ಪ್ರಾಣಾಯಾಮ ಪ್ರತ್ಯಾಹಾರ ಧಾರಣ ಧ್ಯಾನ ಸಮಾಧಿ. Please understand that meditation cannot be done with efforts. Meditation happens. It is something like, I have got a window here. I can only keep the window open and sit down. I cannot make the air to come inside. Meditation is like that. I can do yama, niyama, pranayama, asana. Yama, niyama, asana, pranayama. Ashtorgu madbodu. But then by doing pranayama, you slip into meditation. Some people straight away they'll teach you meditation. It's very difficult to. You just, a person who is not accustomed to be yama, niyama and asana, you ask him to meditate, the moment he closes his eyes, actually number of thoughts will increase. He finds it terrible. You know how many thoughts come to our mind per day? 70,000 thoughts come to our mind. It is 30 thoughts per minute. This is too high. You just cannot handle so many thoughts. So the first thing is to reduce the number of thoughts, good or bad, reduce it first. Now, how do we reduce the number of thoughts? Because thoughts are coming and thoughts are going. The trick is to reduce the number of breathings per minute, by which the number of thoughts will come down. Through the breathing, we operate on the thoughts. So, all that I'm trying to tell you is that from negative thoughts, move to positive thoughts. Leave it. As we continue, you will find you will slip into no thoughts. Adu gradual agi aagboldu.
Sir, I have a question. Srihari here.
Yes,
now it has become a fad, I think, even the Western, that healing anta. Ade mind alli idu madodrinda you can heal cancer eno ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. What is your thought on that? Body heal ಆಗುತ್ತಾ?
Sure, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಸರ್, see, yoga and other things have become a commodity now actually. Yoga mat ಅಂತಾರೆ, yoga ಇದು ಅಂತಾರೆ, hot yoga ಅಂತಾರೆ, steam yoga, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನೇನಾಗಿದೆಯೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So what has happened is, same thing what was being taught is coming with new names. So just because it is very, very true that mind controls the body, but it needs a very consistent, honest approach. It cannot be done that I just touch you and you will get cured. ಯಾರೋ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಮಹಾತ್ಮರು, ನಾನಲ್ಲ ಒಟ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. See, there was a Shakuntala madam who can multiply 20 digits into 20 digits. Idru true adu. But you and me are not like that, no? We have to learn from 2 into 2 is 4. So if somebody says everything is on the mind and I will touch you, I will teach you something, some trick, 5 minutes, some alpha control of mind you will get. I honestly feel how it can happen. How it can happen that you just teach 5 minutes and the person gets rid of all the negative thinking. It needs consistent practice. It needs consistent activities. So I am not there to comment on anything, but I believe that anything in this world is agricultural. It is not mechanical. Mechanical ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಹೊರಟೋದ್ರೆ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀವಿ. This is called mechanic. You got a bad thought, somebody says, I'll remove bad thought and put good thought. No, it doesn't work that way. The life is agricultural. What is meant by agricultural? You have to put the seed, you have to wait. You have to put water, mud, pesticides, this, that, take care of, protect it. Then slowly it starts growing. So our mind is like that. Culturing the mind is agricultural, not mechanical. So if somebody says, 5 minutes I will do, I will teach this, touch this, touch, I don't know. I will not be able to comment on that. But to me, it appears very, very difficult. Anta ಜ್ಞಾನಿಗಳು ಮಹಾತ್ಮ ಇದ್ರೆ, it's a big salute for them. But I feel it is extremely difficult. Good things have no shortcuts, in my opinion. Good things are always efforts oriented and it contains certain pains. They have the undersಬೇಕು. Then only things will work, in my opinion. I don't know, does it make any sense, sir?
Yes, sir. As you said,
I am doing yoga from the last.
I
last
totally
60
agree. Organic and immediate is ತರ.
ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ.
But it has become a Western fad. I attended a 5
ಅದೆಲ್ಲ
days
ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ವ ಸರ್,
workshop.
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹೊಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನೇನೋ
ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋದ.
ಅಟ್ಯಾಚ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ.
I attended a 5-day workshop and all that.
People get mesmerized.
I couldn't find anything great in what they are telling, nor thinking that tomorrow it is possible.
ನಾನು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 62 years ಇಂದ ನಾನು ಯೋಗ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. I get up at 3:45 in the morning from the last 62 years. And I do 1.5 hours of yoga. And still I feel I have not been able to understand that great science, even 1% of it. Honestly. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. That is the depth of the science. ನೀವು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ, I will work on your mind. I will change your cells, I will change your neuropeptides, neurodendrites. ಮುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಸರ್ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಿವೆಲ್ಲ? I don't know. I am nobody to comment on that. But neither I belong to that category, nor I believe that it can be so easily done. Anyway, that apart. Now, there are two things. One is called as the left brain and the right brain, which I keep talking. The left brain is responsible for logics, analytics, data, science, structure, agenda-based, management-oriented, result-oriented, effectiveness, efficiency. The right brain is responsible for your emotions, feelings, values, creativity, artistic pursuits. Now, if you want to take care of this optimism, you have to take care of both the brains and work on that. For example, wearing a mask is left brain. It is very logical. But not getting afraid that I will get corona is a right brain. It is an emotion. Maintaining a physical distance is left brain. It is very, very analytical. It has been proved. You should have at least 6 feet. Please follow that. At the same time, don't imagine from somewhere the corona will come and from the air it will get inside. This comes from the right brain. So you need to have optimism from both the angles, from the practicality of the left brain, from the emotive aspect of the right brain. Left brain is called the chemistry of life. Right brain is called the poetry of life. So you need to handle your mind from both the aspects. Now, at this point of time, let me put some slides so that whatever I told you gets easily more captured in your brain. I just wanted to know at this point of time, we are almost getting halfway through. Is the talk useful? I mean, ಈ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಚೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಕಾಫಿ ಕುಡಿಯಕ್ಕೆ.
Yes, sure.
Any
Yes,
Any
sir. Yes, sir.
comments on the utility or relevance, or am
Sure,
I
sure.
fast or slow? Is it okay?
Yeah, it's useful, sir.
Yes,
Good,
sir.
sir.
Very, very useful.
Please,
And very,
please go
very
ahead, sir.
Nice,
Many
nice.
of them
Very
have
nice.
said it is very useful and informative, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes. Padma madam has joined me. That's very nice of her. She's wonderful faculty. She is with us from the last about 25 years. And she herself is, so I requested her to join and share the screen. Padma, share ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅದೊಂದು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ತರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ಸ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ. See, your mind and your body are very intimately connected. Your mind affects the body, which is called psychosomatic. Your body affects the mind, which is called somopsychic. Next. As I told you, and Shankar sir has also told, a illness is a disorder in the body, where a sickness is your fear, anxiety, and worry on the illness. Therefore, illness can be cured by medicines and good lifestyles, but sickness can be cured by mental exercise and stress management techniques. Now, the illness is called as vyadi. To cure that, and if sickness comes, if your adi gets disturbed. Next. You may be ill but not sick. Yesterday, I have seen having very severe diseases, but very comfortable in the mind. ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ರೋಗ ಮನುಷ್ಯನ್ ಬರೆದಿರೋ ಇದು ಮರಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಸರ್, ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರ್ ಫೆಲೋ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಡ್ಏಕ್, ಈ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ದೋ ಲೈಫ್ ಹಸ್ ಗಾನ್. ಓ ಅಂತ ಕೂಗಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ. Now, as I told you, if you have a disease, but you are at ease with yourself and at ease with the disease itself, then you don't have any disease, although you are suffering from the disease. On the other hand, if you don't have any typical disease, traditional disease, but you are not at ease with yourself and not at ease with others, then you have a disease, although you are not suffering from any typical traditional orthodox disease. For example, acidity ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Generally, acidity ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಖಾರ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, but a part of it comes from stress. See, the mind. Hypertension, immediately we say because of salt, but it comes because of getting angry and getting worked up and getting anxious also. Cholesterol is because of fatty acids ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. That is true. It can come because of excessive laziness also. Asthma, we say, is the problem of the lungs, but it can also be because of your sad feelings. For example, diabetes, definitely it comes because of the lack of production of insulin, but people who are very selfish and stubborn attitude also are likely to get precipitated into the diabetes. Padmara, back ಹಾಕಿದ್ದು. This is where I want to say, typically, traditionally, we understand acidity ಅಂದ್ರೆ food problem, hypertension ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿಂತೀರಾ, ಎಣ್ಣೆ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಆಸ್ಮಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಗರ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. But apart from that, there is a big element of the mind involved in that. In fact, I got a big list of 100 diseases because of which quality it comes. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೋಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಡಿಸೀಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. If you are not willing to change what disease, I got a list which is the adi, and because of this, which is the vyadi you will get. ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕಾಲಮೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ ನಾವು. Next. This is what I was telling. Virus has got certain hertz pains. You see the virus, ಇದು ಏನೋ 2.5 hertz ಇದೆ ಅಂತಾರೆ. If you get pain, fear, irritation, noise, pride, superiority, everything is less than 2 hertz. So you are likely to get more of corona. And in hospitals, I think you can go back. If you see hospitals, assistance centers, jails underground, you will find it is less than 20 hertz. Now, but when you do a good quality life, for example, go to the next one. Nodi, this slide is very interesting. Next slide. Nodi, prayer, universal unconditional love, compassion, gratitude, generosity. You see the hertz there. So it is not operating at the frequency of the virus, which only means you start loving, smiling, count your blessings, thanking, play, learn painting, singing, dancing, etc. Yoga, meditation, walking in the sun, exercising, enjoy nature, drink sufficient water and food which only earth gives, like greens, grains, cereals, fruits and vegetables. You will be operating at high frequency, and therefore you may be able to control these things to some extent. Social service especially. You see the effect of the tension when your mind becomes stressed or anxious, almost every aspect of your personality gets affected. Look at this chart, it's scary. Migraine, headache, barbodu, forehead, wrinkles, concentration gets affected, analytical thinking goes haywire, there won't be clarity in thinking, you may start stuttering, you feel an imaginary lump in the throat, your breathing becomes hyperventilative, disorganized, BP increases, palpitation of heart increases, liver and kidney functions may get affected, you may get cold hands and cold feet, arthritis may precipitate, eyelids twitching, upper backache, lower backache, lumbar problems, cervical spondylosis. In the stomach, you can have acidity, constipation, indigestion, dyspepsia, stomach pain, ulcers, IBS, all sorts of things. Immunity gets reduced, appetite gets affected, you may gain or lose weight, stamina gets reduced, you cannot enjoy humor, you lose interest in life, you feel constantly fatigued, you feel nervous, anxious for no reason, high bipolar, very mood swings. Belige tumba nagnagta irtira, in 2 hours fully sad, again you will become all right. Balance of mind gets affected, interpersonal relations in the family, with the colleagues, with the bosses, with the society gets affected. People may get into bad habits. You become indisciplined, unsystematic, disorganized. So you can see what a wrong mind can do to you. Shankar sir, bekadre idu copies kodi elrigu bekadre.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Ego is Corona's biggest
Hello,
identification. It never gets into your body without invitation. In social distancing, like its mitigation, defeating Corona, let us make our life a celebration. ಈ ತರ ಒಂದು 22 ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಮೇಲೆ. Next. Social distance is our mantra. Very good hygiene is our tantra. We will never yield to Corona's kutantra. From Corona, we will shortly have swatantra. Next. Thank you, Corona warrior. You are our real savior. Let us learn to work together. Post-Corona, let's make life merrier. ನಾಗಾಲೋಟದ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿತ್ತು ದೊಡ್ಡದೊಂದು ಕಲ್ಲು, ಪರಿವೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಓಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದ ಕಾಲಿಗೆರೆಯಿತು ಕೊರೋನಾ ಮುಳ್ಳು, ಅರ್ಥವಾಯಿತು ಆಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತಸ್ತುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸುಳ್ಳು, ಭಕ್ತಿ ಜ್ಞಾನ ವೈರಾಗ್ಯಗಳು ಉದಯಿಸಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತೋಗಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. ಅನ್ಫಾರ್ಚುನೇಟ್ಲಿ ಗುಡ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ರಿಮೈಂಡೆಡ್. ವಿಶ್ವಕ್ಕೆ ಬಡಿದಿದೆ ಕೊರೋನಾವೆಂಬ ಗ್ರಹಣ, ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿರಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ನಮನ, ಸ್ವಚ್ಛತೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದೆಡೆ ಹರಿಯಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗಮನ, ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸುವ ಸುಂದರ ಜೀವನದ ಆಗಮನ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್. You can go to the next slide. This is what I was telling. Nodi, left brain is responsible for thinking, IQ, technical skills, analytical. Nodi, I have written down. You can have a look at it. Now, when you put this model into the present situation, it looks like this. You need to defeat Corona from the left side of your brain. Social distancing, sanitizing, following government advisory, hands washing, knowledge and awareness on latest happenings regarding Corona. Like I told, washing the hands, clarity on government rules, your finance management, your professional work, working from home, for example. But that itself is not sufficient. You need to defeat Corona by being calm and cool, stress-free, anxiety-free, humility, acceptance, patience, good relations in the family, positive lifestyle, prayers, being with nature, music, service to needy, connect with old friends, and artistic pursuits. Nodi, nature we forgot. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಕೃತಿಯೇ ನೀನೆಷ್ಟು ಚಂದ, ನಿನ್ನ ಚಂದ ನೋಡಲು ಅಂದ, ನೀನು ತಾಯಿ ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂದ, ಇದನ್ನರಿಯದವನ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಮಂದ. We forgot nature, we forgot animals, we forgot insects. You know, our body has 99% bacteria. We cannot live without bacteria. but bacteria can live without us. 99% of your body contains bacteria, good, useful bacteria. So this is what is very, very important to understand. Next. Do not spread negative. This has become a fashion. ಅದಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತಂತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೋಯ್ತಂತೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಸತ್ರಂತೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. I understand, it's very painful. But why do you add on more to that? And spoil the right brain of the people where they become more anxious, more worried. More of people telephone, sir, ನಿದ್ದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕರೋನಾ? ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೋನಾ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಹೆಂಗೋ ಇದಾರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ 4 See, as per statistics, out of 100 people who get corona, only 6 people need hospitalization. September ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಕೊರೋನಾ ಇಂದ ಸಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು percentage wise, now only 50% of them are dying. It was 2.17%, now it is 1.13%. I am not trying to dilute the impact of corona at all. Yeah, it is really horrible, it is scary. But why do we create panicking? For every one bad thing which happens in this world, there are 10 good things which are happening. Look at the way Rotary has risen up to the occasion, for example. Look at the way the warriors are working. Look at the way doctors are helping. Yaro black sheep ಒಬ್ರಿಬ್ರು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟ್ರೈನರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಲಾಯರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Wrong people are always there. The srishti outside depends upon the drishti inside. Start looking at good things, you will see good things. Your brain will work positively. You can combat and keep away all these viruses and other things to some extent. Next. This is what the feel-good chemicals which I was telling. Oxytocin, acetylcholine, GABA, melatonin, serotonin, endorphins. As I told you, clarity in mind and purity in heart. This is my punch word I keep on telling. Next. You quick ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Mr. Shankar Shastri, 10 minutes time ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes sir, please go ahead sir. ಇದೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ನನ್ನ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ
ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗಿತ್ತು.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್.
Till 8:15 we can go ahead. We still have 10 more minutes.
Please go ahead sir.
Okay. I'll finish with the last one. I made a pre-corona and post-corona ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಬ್ಲೆಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದೆ. ಅದ್ಮಾರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಾಕಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಚೀವ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಶೌಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಸೇ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಅಲೈವ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ಆ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡಿ. Achievement in life is very important. Earlier I used to say, but today being alive is achievement. We need to love. Earlier people used to love objects and use people. Today we need to love people and use objects. Capability is very important. We used to say public speaking, adu idu. Today we say copability. The ability to cope with stress and anxiety has become crucial today. Jiva idre jivana. Medication, we used to think, yeah, it is important, but apart from that, meditation. Be human being, we used to say, but today we say, being human is very important. Robbing to the pain. ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಟರಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. I just started eating chapati, but I could not eat. I told, when so many migrant workers are not able to eat, how is that I can eat? Immediately ನಮ್ಮ ಇವರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಶಂಕರ್ಗೆ. ಸರ್ ನಾಳೆಯಿಂದ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ we need to distribute. We distributed thousands of food packets. Please remember, it's an inclusive world. You cannot be happy if others are sad. There is no logic in that. That's why we are telling is corona can go only if everyone is out of corona. And that is what is very, very important. Next. Spend and save. See, earlier when I asked people, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ they used to laugh. Sir, enjoy life. You belong to brick and mortar technology. ಹಾಗೆ ಹೀಗೆ. Now today, who is the fellow who is able to live the life? ಯಾರು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೋ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಬದುಕೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. Technology was an option earlier, but today, without the Zoom, I could not even spoken to you. Earlier globalization, but today we say use our own products. Activity outside. Earlier, go there, eat, iddu, pub, dance, this. But today we say tranquility inside. You know, be with multitudes, but stay with solitude. We have distributed our personality for too many things, but today we need to sit down and look into it and take an inventory of our own life. Where did I reach? How far I have come? What more need to be done? Live to eat. ಈ ಶೆರಟನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ದೇ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮಿ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು 25 ಐಟಮ್ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ನಾನು ಅವ್ನು ಕರಿತೀನಿ, ಅವನ್ನ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋವನ್ನ, ಆ ಚೆಫ್ನ. ಈ 25 ಐಟಮ್ ಯಾರು ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ? You tell me who can eat and how much out of the quantity they make. If you see the number of people, they don't even eat 20%. Then I ask, what happens to this 80%? Live to eat was the fashion, but today we eat to live. Because if you don't eat food as medicine, afterwards you will have to take medicine as your food. Diniki 20 matra hakobeku. Next. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಲದು, ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿರೋರಿಗೆ, ಪಕ್ಕದವ್ರಿಗೆ ಟೆಲ್ ದೆಮ್. ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಡಿಸೀಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಸೇ ಕೇರ್ ದ ಡಿಸೀಸ್ಡ್. ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಂತೆ, somebody told God, why do you make the street children to rot on the streets without food? Then he realized it was that God in the form of the street children who was asking for food from this person. Service is the rent you have to pay for the privilege of living on this earth. Earlier, Pati Patniyaralli, either they are mad for each other or mad at each other. Today they understand they are made for each other. Only one person is available, if at all you are lucky to take care. People have understood that. Use nature and animals. Today we need to respect them. Too much of ego come out of and get into humility. Okay, we can go to the next one. One person can give the disease to 1,000 people. Nodi, avunobba drill madidre 10,000 jana mulugtare. So it's very important. Padmari, you can shift the slides. It's a big one. Let me come to what Rotary could do. I think we can straight away go to '53. So finally, I just wanted to tell what we could do at this time. In fact, I was telling to Ms. Shankar, sometime, whenever I have time and you have some time, organize one thing where I can give you practical tips of slow breathing, mental affirmations, alpha method of control, practical, where you can keep your mind calm, cool, tranquil, equanimous, one-pointed, focused, stabilized, centered. So what is that we could do? One, have noble objective of service. Blessed are those who are serving because their health will be little better than others, even as per statistics. On those statistics, Padmari, put these statistics. Okay, I think time is a little short. Go to the same thing. Allot time for Rotary activities, very important. Time barodilla, time now kandidkobeku. Enhance Rotary membership. See, in Rotary what we do, we talk about Rotary to Rotarians. That is very good. But there is a very great need to talk to non-Rotarians. In fact, Corona agudukku modlu Rotary Habba anta madidre yaro 4-5 jana serkonಡ್ರು. I gave a talk for about 5,000 people. Then a lot of people started inquiring. ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್ ಗೇಟ್ ವೇನಲ್ಲೇ ದೇರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎ ಬಿಗ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಚ್ ವಾಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್, ಬ್ರಿಗೇಡ್ ಫೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ. I told, give me 10 minutes time, I want to talk on Rotary. There are about 600 people, I gave a talk. So we need to give lot of such awareness talks to non-Rotarians and public. Rotary, they know already the greatness of Rotary. Be regular and punctual for meetings, very important. Participate in all club activities and volunteer to participate. Excellent teamwork irbeku between the secretary, president, office bearers, members. Synergy, where it is 1 + 1 = 11. See, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is called arithmetic. 1 plus 1 is equal to 1.5 is compromise. 1 plus 1 is equal to 11. Synergy. Be self-motivated. Have discipline. Very important to discipline. ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ಅದ್ರ ಟೈಮ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರ ಇಂಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಟು ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಟರಿ, at least about 120 programs I done for Rotary. I tell ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ are we collecting the opinions of the participants on the speaker meetings? It's very important. Collect it and send it to all others so that more people attend. ನಮ್ಮ RBOJ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು. Any speaker meeting, at the end we will give a form, they will write excellent, ಅದನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, so that the person who didn't attend understands I missed it. Develop honesty, integrity, transparency, and ethics. Very important at this point of time. Honesty is speaking what you think. Integrity is doing what you speak. ಕಾಯ ವಾಚ ಮನಸ ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಏನ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು, ಏನ್ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವೋ ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದೊಂದು, ಮಾತಾಡೋದೊಂದು, ಮಾಡೋದೊಂದು. Let's go to the next. Especially students and women need to be involved in Rotary in higher numbers. Because students ಇವಾಗಲೇ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರೆ next 50-60 years he will be with us. Women are the most greatest influencers in society. Avoid ego, jealousy, credit stealing and anger. Very important. Ego, ನಾನೇ ಸರಿ ಎನ್ನುವುದು ಬೇಡ, ಕಲಿಯುವುದು ಸಾಕಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡ. ನಾನೇ ಸರಿ ಎನ್ನುವವನು ಮೂಡ, ಅಂತಹವನ ಸಹವಾಸ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಹಾಡು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಕೋಪ, ಚಿಕ್ಕದಕ್ಕೂ ಗಲಾಟೆ, ಕೂಗಾಡೋದು. ಮಾನವನ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಶತ್ರು ಕೋಪ, ಮನುಕುಲಕ್ಕಿದು ಮಹಾಶಾಪ. ಕೋಪಗೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಮಹಾಪಾಪ, ನಂತರ ಏಕೆ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ತಾಪ. Now, there is a very great need to develop professional skills also, like communication skills, public speaking skills, presentation skills, interpersonal skills, team working skills, time management, creativity, innovation, so that you will be able to influence the corporate irbodu, or donors irbodu, or TRF irbodu. Very important. Don't bother about who gets the credit. Very important. Next, ನಮ್ಮ ನಾನ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಬೇರೆ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಶ್ವತ್ಥರಾಮಯ್ಯ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಜೆಷನ್, ಬಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 3 months ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿಕಮ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್, ಆವಾಗ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಸರ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೆ, ಯಾರ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೆ, 10 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗಬೇಕು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಾನೇ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. Always keep in mind the welfare of sick, old, needy and underprivileged people. Give attention to details. Be cheerful. ನಗ್ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. Instead of worrying and having a wrinkle on your face, why don't you smile and have a dimple on your face? ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಗುವು ಜೀವನದ ಮಂತ್ರ, ಉತ್ತಮ ಆರೋಗ್ಯಕ್ಕಿದು ತಂತ್ರ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಸಂಬಂಧಗಳಿಗೆ ಸೂತ್ರ, ನಗದಿರುವನ ಜೀವನ ಅತಂತ್ರ. And learn to sacrifice a little of your family time, entertainment, pleasures, which you are already doing. Blessed are those who work in Rotary. It has given the wonderful opportunity for us to unleash our instincts of service, develop gratitude, learn computer applications, maintain commitments. As I told, speak what you think, do what you speak, and please involve the entire family in Rotary work. Ganda, Enti, Makku, we should do with a missionary zeal. So this is what I just wanted to talk on, what we could do, a template of what we can do. And on the personal front, we need to have few things: physical immunity, mental tranquility, intellectual clarity, concentration intensity, enhanced creativity, social empathy, emotional stability, material prosperity, and spiritual identity. This is the holistic perspective with which we need to work to develop optimism in these critical testing times. With this, I want to close, and any questions ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಟೈಮ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ.
Thank you so much, sir.
them to give their opinion in
Yeah,
the
please.
chat box?
We
if
have a
possible?
habit. Just now I told we need your opinions. We make a record of that. So, nim chat box ali, please write a few words.
Sir, we'll also take a few questions also. So
Yeah.
I think
Yeah,
people can raise their hands. Based on that, we will take the questions. We already had Rotarian
Hello?
Lakshmi Balaji who has been raising the hands.
Yeah.
Rotarian Lakshmi Balaji, please go ahead.
ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ
Yeah,
ಲಿಂಕ್
good evening.
ಕಳಿಸಿ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
Please go ahead. Please go ahead.
May I? Yeah.
Yeah.
I have a question to you, sir.
Please.
You were talking about, somebody asked about some alpha mindset and something
Yes,
like
yes.
that.
Yeah.
I have a small question. There is something called the placebo effect.
Hmm.
Doesn't this work in terms of, when it comes to these kind of feelings that people talk about?
Very much, very much.
Right?
What do you mean by placebo? Placebo is basically anything what you do which does not have a medical or a clinical value, but it works on you.
Which is predominantly because of how your mind works, or?
Yes, exactly. It is because more than the mind, the faith you have got.
Right. Okay.
In earlier days, in our days, suppose person is coughing, we just used to take a guardian mantra and devasthanಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ಯಂತ್ರ ಕಟ್ಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ.
Right. Okay.
Actually speaking, ಆ ಯಂತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ. It is just a piece of metal, but it works wonders because you start thinking, oh, yantra katskonಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, now it will become all right, now it will become all right, because whatever you think you become. Of telling one bank manager, all the people who are associated with him, they did a research, wife, boss, ellano. Today when you see him, you tell, oh, you're looking very sad, you're looking very sick, just tell bidi anta. So that day, everyone whom he meets started telling, you look very weak, you look very, what happened to you? At 4:30, he fixed an appointment with the doctor and he went and met the doctor. He was perfectly all right previous day. There is a place in Australia somewhere, there is a tree and people go around the tree by cursing the tree and the tree will fade off in next 4 or 5 days.
It's in Africa, sir.
It's in Africa, yes. So that's what it was. So placebo has at least about 25% of the medicines what you consume is placebo only.
Right. Just one last question relating
Yes,
to
yes.
this. There's
Yeah.
something I hear, this thing, the last 15 days, that the minute people see the ICU, already the minute COVID comes, the fear sets in. And
Yeah.
the minute people talk about ICU, and the fear, I think, multiplies. It becomes humongous enough to actually, even kill you. So with the same placebo, is there a way we can actually make them, get rid of the fear?
See,
Would that work?
the point is, there is something called as a breakdown maintenance, something called as a preventive maintenance. For example, if you have got a 2-wheeler or a 4-wheeler, you need to maintain it even when it is not, even when it is okay. You need to clean up the engine, you need to clean up this, all that. Then its breakdown will become less. Which means it may be very difficult right now to teach a person of how to get rid of the phobia of the ICU. But if you develop a lifestyle, which I told you, good food habits, every day little meditation, little slow breathing, looking at nature, helping people, positive mental affirmations, it is like a preventive maintenance. Then your fear of the ICU by itself would have come down. So it is not a magic that till now he was very much afraid and he has not done any of these activities. Now I will teach him in 10 minutes and his phobia of ICU will go off. Yeah, it may be a marginal or a symptomatic thing, it may not down. So that's why I always say in life, what you do when you are healthy is more important than what you do when you are sick.
Absolutely. Thank you very much, sir. That was a wonderful explanation. Thank you.
Okay, Nama, good, nice. Any other thing? Any other questions you have? Please write your opinion in the chat box. It is very important for us. We try to compile that. From last 25 years, I got the opinions. My first program for Rotary, I remember, Rotary Pinya anta ittu. Alli, I gave a talk in 1991. My first talk. Earlier to that, a short talk in 1989 I had given. So it is very important for me to know, good or bad, whatever, it is important. See, with doctors, if you get cured the disease, you will not go and tell. If the disease doesn't get cured, you go to a different doctor. So doctor will never get whether the amoxicillin what he has given has worked on you or not. So they keep on experimenting on you. So it is important for you to give feedback. So please write a few words in the chat box.
Sir, this is Prashant. Every bit of what you said is very valuable, and I please put a message very healing for us. So we look forward. I'm from Raja Rajeshwari, the Rotary. We look forward for a kind of a one-day workshop to practice this.
Sure.
Post-COVID. Hopefully,
Yes.
we will do that soon.
Sorry, I was telling to Shankar Shastri sir, I have about 4-hour session even now after a few months or weeks, wherein I won't talk in no theory, only practice. Slow breathing, Kapalbhati, Nadi Shodhana irbodu, Anuloma Viloma, Pranava Pranayam, how to strengthen your lungs, for example, Brahmari. Only these things. Everything oriented towards increasing your immunity power and developing a positive attitude. Very nicely it is told, it is not only your aptitude, it is your attitude which decides your altitude. Ready? Good.
I have one last question.
Abhay Kanjikar here, sir.
Really, sir?
Sir, Abhay Kanjikar here.
Yes, Mr. Abhay, sir.
I lost 4 friends today.
Yes. Very, very difficult.
I lost 4 friends only on one single day and one ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ದೇವರಾಣಿಗೂ ಇವತ್ತು ನೀವು ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಒಂಥರ ಗಾಡ್ ಬ್ಲೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸಡನ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವಿಟಿ ಇಂದ ಫುಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವಿಟಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ತಡೆಯಕ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಥಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಬಬ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದವ್ರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಕಾಪಾಡಬಹುದು. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ.
I always say pray to 3 things to God. God, give me the courage to change the things which I can change. Give me the humility to accept the things which I cannot change. And give me the wisdom to differentiate between these two. Change ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ
Thank you sir, thank you very much.
ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬೇಕು. ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗದೆ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ವಿನಯ ಬೇಕು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಧೈರ್ಯ ಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ವಿನಯ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ವಿವೇಕ ಬೇಕು.
Sir, this is
families ಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೇದಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Thank you sir, thank you.
ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರೋವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಆ ನೋವು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೀವು RIP ಅಂತ ಆಗ್ತೀರ ನೀವು. Okay, but you do not know the pain which these people undergo, you know.
Sir, this is Mohan here. Thank you for the wonderful session. Really, it was very, very informative, and probably if we implement what you're telling, then I think everything should be all right. And I would like to thank Rotarian Bala sir also for sending me the link. Otherwise, I would have missed this amazing session. Really, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Which Rotary years?
No, Rotarian Bala Subramaniam, sir. I come from RR Nagar. Rotarian Bala Subramaniam. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Very nice, very nice.
So we have 3 more questions.
Yeah.
We have Rotarian Lakshmi Balaji again. Please go ahead, Lakshmi Balaji.
Yeah, thank you. Just one question. You were talking about vibrations, that different vibrations, what certain emotions create. In that line, when someone connects to, is it good? I mean, would it be beneficial to enable someone connect to the passion during these times so that they are able to maintain their, better vibrationary state? I mean, will that work? Enabling people to connect to their passion during these times?
Very much, no? See, the 2 things are important. Love what you do what you love. Now, do what you love is passion. Love what you do is responsibility. So, if that is the passion what you are referring to, definitely whatever you love, if you do and with passion, you will be operating at a very high level of mental tranquility. It is called flow state. Flow state andre you don't put in any efforts, but it happens by itself. It is called unconscious competence. You are highly competent, but you are not even aware of your own competence. So passion is that which you develop. You know, the Rotary intavella katbeku andre passionate people only. Analytical people cannot build it. It is built out of passion only. So what you say is very right. If you attach to something which you are very passionate about, you will be operating in an altogether different dimension of your personality. And that works very heavily in the present difficult, critical testing times.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Very much, very much.
So next we have Rotarian Murugesh Shiva from Rotary Club. Please go ahead, Rotarian.
Good evening, sir. A wonderful speech that you actually gave us. A lot of learning out of it. My question is, here we are trying to comment or motivate or use language of motivation or even positive thoughts to help people, but yet we use words of pain with the word disease. I don't like to use the word disease, nor do I like the word hate. But in our conversations, we always tell the person who's suffering, you're suffering with this disease. When is somebody going to realize that is not supposed to be done? We are not motivating, we are only demotivating them, aren't we?
Very nice. There are a lot of research which is being done. Very shortly, Mr. Murugesh sir, you will find doctors will not call the patients as patients. Disease.
I wish that happens.
Yeah, no. Slowly that realization is coming. Very slowly, very slowly. And they will not call you as a disease. They will only call as a condition of the body. It is a condition of the body. So very shortly you will find many of these words which have a very negative and a little scaring connotations will get replaced by either neutral or positive words. You know, to give you an example, I'll tell you. Earlier, handicapped ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Now today we don't say handicapped, we say differently abled.
Correct.
Alva? So ಆ ತರ medical field allu, I am talking to thousands of doctors. Many people nowadays, if you go, I have seen some very good doctors or very elevated doctors. They tell to the nurse, please call Mr. Krishnan. They don't say call that patient another. Please call Mr. Krishnan. Or please call the gentleman in bed number 13 ಅಂತಾರೆ. So slowly it is creeping in, but ನಮಗೆ ಹಳೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಲಾಗ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ 200-300 years ಮಾತಾಡಿ ಅದು we cannot wash it immediately, but slowly
what we call bad baggage.
Yes, a baggage. I fully agree with you, very much, absolutely.
I think we should run a session on what and what not to say with our fellow Rotarians. That way, even while we are communicating with someone, we use the right and choicest of words to make sure that they get the right information.
Absolutely. See, your words decide your attitude. Your attitude affects your relationships. Your relationships work on your success. So the power of words is very, very important. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ inflate the good words and reduce the intensity of the bad words. Don't say I have failed. Say I have not yet succeeded. See?
Makes a lot of difference.
Don't say I am sick. Say I need a little rest and a little medication. If anybody of you want, you ask me, I can send to Shankar sir also. What words should be replaced by what words I made a tabular.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Very good.
Next, we have Rotarian Past President Bala. Please go ahead, sir.
Good evening, sir. I have no question as such. I have this habit of communicating the speakers meets of our club to innumerable people, like you said, outside Rotary, because there are n number of people who don't have access who want this, rather than getting it limited to our own crowd. So I have already started addressing one person, even responded. He was not Balasubramanian, I am Balasubramanian. And even Mr. Mohan came on the line, told you, he has put an extra sentence to me, I am not from your group. Thank you for sharing, but I would like to know how I can serve the humanity better. I think this is the best compliment for the day, for the session. No other thing is required.
I think your day is made.
Yes. No.
You please ask him to join Rotary.
Yeah. No, of course, obviously he'll join. Okay. I have got so many people like that. And second thing,
yes, tell me, sir.
Second thing is, I don't know if you have no objection, this particular session recording, if it can be made available to me, I can reach it to a number of educational institutions, students. I have people from youngsters, Rotaracts, Interacts to very senior people like principals, everybody. So it will go on and on, spread all over the place. I could ensure that provided it can be reached to me.
I think I will get the details from Mr. Shankar Rajagdish sir, and they can interact with me, and let us see how to make it as a reality to spread. Recently, I gave a talk for the 12th standard students. It was very nice to see. It has been shared by 1 lakh students.